Hello guys, welcome back, new brand video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix unable to verify app due to Scarlet problem. If you want to install any one app but face this type of error, so how to fix? First of all, go back your home screen and open your iPhone and iPad setting, then tap on Wi-Fi and make sure that connect strong Wi-Fi connection, turn off Wi-Fi toggle, at least the 30 seconds you have turn it on, and after that go back. If you use mobile data, then turn on aeroplane mode, at least the 30 seconds you have turn it off. And after that, check whether the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then scroll down, search for Safari app, then tap on this, and from here you scroll down and click on it once. Click this, then tap on website data. From here you scroll down, then tap on remove all website data, then tap on remove now, and after that go back. Then scroll up, then tap on clear history and website data, tap on this, and from here you tap on clear history, and after that check if the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back your home screen and open your again iPhone and iPad setting, then scroll down, then tap on journal, and from here you tap on iPhone storage, and from here you make sure that delete useless app, and after that go back and tap on date and time, and from here you make sure that turn on board toggle. If the toggle turn off, what you need to do it, turn on board toggle and make sure that select correct date and time, and after that check whether the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back and tap on VPN and device management, and from here if you connect any one VPN, you make sure that disconnect, and after that go back, then tap on transfer or reset iPhone, and tap on reset network setting, enter your passcode, then tap on reset network setting. After reset network setting, I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I am help you more. Thanks for watching.